Here is recipe number 2. And so next up we are making a soup. This is just a yummy, chunky food that you can eat. I put chicken broth or vegetable broth with carrots, big chunky carrots, and I put them in there first to let them cook for a little while. So what I'm going to do is put not just carrots, but I'm going to put some yellow squash, zucchini chunks, celery, and cabbage pieces. And I'm just gonna put that all in there and let it cook for about 45 minutes, just like the other one. Then it will just be ready to eat. So now I have all my ingredients in my pot. For the soup, I put oil and the same spices for the broth that we put together. And it will be ready to eat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What do you think? Here is my yummy soup. It's kind of like chicken noodle soup without the chicken or the noodles, but lots of veggies and the flavor of the broth and spices.